Demystifying demonstrative pronouns. Point it out with ease. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. In our journey of exploring English grammar fundamentals, we've reached a very interesting point: demonstrative pronouns. If you're asking, what's that? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what demonstrative pronouns are and how to use them correctly. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's get a grip on what we mean by demonstrative pronouns. They're a category of pronouns that we use to point towards something specific within a sentence. These can be things near in distance or far, and they can refer to singular or plural nouns. In English, our four demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. This and these refer to things that are close in distance or time, or to indicate the thing we are currently discussing or thinking about. That and those refer to things that are farther in distance or time. Let's break down these pronouns a bit more for clarity. 1. This, used for a singular noun that is near. For example, this is my book. 2. That, used for a singular noun that is far. For example, that is her house. 3. These, used for plural nouns that are near. For example, these are my friends. 4. Those, used for plural nouns that are far. For example, those are her dogs. So, the choice of pronoun depends on both distance and number. Now that we know what each demonstrative pronoun is used for, let's see them in action within a sentence. 1. This is a great idea. Singular, near. 2. Do you see that? Singular, far. 3. These are beautiful flowers. Plural, near. 4. Can you get those books from the shelf? Plural, far. Remember, although demonstrative pronouns often indicate physical distance, they can also show emotional distance or refer to something previously mentioned. And there you have it. Now you know what demonstrative pronouns are and how to use them in English. I hope this video was helpful and clarified those pesky grammar points that might have been causing confusion. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, even the small ones, brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing and you'll master these in no time. Until next time, happy learning!